Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, you are going to learn how to fix BT Hub flashing purple light, what it means and how to restart. What it means, what the purple light means, light status and meaning. Flashing purple, hub is working but not connected to broadband and internet. Solid purple, hybrid connect models, hub is using the EE mobile backup connection. Solid blue, internet connection is working normally. How to restart your BT hub. Step 1. Turn off the hub. Locate the power button on the back of your BT hub. Press it once to switch the hub off completely. Step 2. Wait 3 to 5 minutes. Leave the hub powered off for 3 to 5 minutes. This allows the device to fully reset and clear temporary network issues. Step 3. Turn the hub back on. Press the power button again to switch the hub back on. Step 4. Allow time to reconnect. Wait 3 to 5 minutes while the hub reconnects to the broadband network. The hub light may change colors during startup, which is normal. Step 5. Check the status light. Once the connection is restored, the hub light should turn solid blue, indicating that your broadband is working properly. How to fix BT Hub flashing purple light? Fix 1. Check all cables. Make sure the broadband cable is firmly connected to the BT Hub. If you have full fiber, check that the Ethernet cable between the OpenReach modem ONT and the hub is securely plugged in. If you use a microfilter, you ensure it is connected properly. Fix 2. Restart the BT Hub. Press the power button on the back of the hub to return it off. Wait 10 to 30 seconds, turn the hub back on, allow 3 to 5 minutes for the hub to reconnect. Fix 3. Check broadband activation. If the hub is newly installed, your broadband service may not be fully activated yet. BT notes that activation can sometimes take until midnight on the scheduled activation day. Fix 4. Inspect the OpenReach modem full fiber only. Verify that the OpenReach modem has power and its status light appear normal. Ensure the cable from the modem's LAN port socket is connected to the hub's WAN port. Fix 5. Factory reset the hub. If the purple light continues after restarting, locate the small reset button on the back of the hub. Press and hold it with the paperclip for 15 to 20 seconds. Wait for the hub to reboot and reconnect. Fix 6. Check for BT service outages. If all cables are connected correctly and the hub still flashes purple, there may be a fault on the BT network or your broadband line. Check BT's service status tools or contact BT support for a line test. Thanks for watching the video. Do like, comment and share the video. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell.